6. Local people, local news.
Good evening, everyone. Former Jefferson County Sheriff Blair Olson was denied an acquittal and a new trial on all grounds today. Back in May, Olson was found guilty on 3 counts of misusing public money. Local News 8's Chelsea Brensel was there. She joins us in the Idaho Falls newsroom now. Chelsea, I imagine it was quite a packed courtroom this morning.
Well, Jay, it sure was. The hearing nearly lasting 3 hours. Everyone awaiting a ruling that could have made a huge difference in this case. Now, the defense's main argument was that these charges were unconstitutional, essentially saying Olson didn't actually make the payment, but rather submitted a request that was authorized by county commissioners. Now, they argued that the commissioners could have done things differently after finding out how the phone was being used, but because they didn't, the burden shouldn't fall on Olson.
They have authority to disallow a payment, even after it's been made.
I can't deny that if there's a constitutional issue raised, that you shouldn't be considered. I don't think that we're not going to stand here and say that. I'm just saying the fact that it's being raised now, in our opinion, goes to the weight of the arguments. That if they were really something that we should have talked about or should be talking about, we should have talked about it a long time ago.
The prosecution firing back, asking why this wasn't addressed when the indictment was challenged. Now, as far as the motion for a mistrial, the defense submitted 3 affidavits claiming at least 1 juror was sleeping during the trial. The affidavits were from Olson's daughter, his son's girlfriend, and his nephew's wife. The other part of asking for a mistrial was that the Verizon Wireless employee that testified wasn't identified as an expert witness, and the defense wasn't able to prepare for the rebuttal of her testimony. Now, the judge told everyone that he would be very busy this weekend, reading over 200 leniency letters from members in the community. Live in the Idaho Falls newsroom, I'm Chelsea Brensel.
Thanks, Chelsea. Olson will be sentenced on Monday at 2 p.m. Well, time now to check in with